If you notice your air filter is getting dirty too quickly, it's essential to address the issue to ensure your electric furnace operates efficiently and safely. Common symptoms include increased energy bills, reduced airflow, and unusual noises. The most likely causes are poor filter quality, incorrect installation, high indoor pollution, and infrequent replacements. Before scheduling a service, perform safe checks like inspecting the filter and verifying its installation. However, do not attempt to handle refrigerant, bypass safety controls, or work on live high-voltage circuits. A qualified HVAC technician will diagnose the issue by inspecting the air filter and ductwork, checking the furnace's airflow and pressure, and verifying the thermostat's calibration. They will then clean or replace the air filter, inspect and clean the ductwork, and adjust the furnace's settings as needed. To prevent future issues, regularly replace the air filter, inspect the ductwork, and check the thermostat's batteries and settings.